Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access system. Then select languages and input, on-screen keyboard and keyboard. Following that, click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. And when you find the best one for you, you'll be able to click on it, manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and save it by hitting apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, just go back to the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!